Let's go. Yeah, my massager. I plug this thing in and it's good for like 10 minutes, you know? It's ridiculous. Oh, yeah. Let's go, baby. Today is I'll say FOMC, but release of minutes, right? So it's from the January 27th, 28th meeting. And so it's going to be the housing starts. Yeah, Federal Reserve, export import prices. You guys can see yourselves here. Boom. Oh. So this is what we got today. Wednesday. So I'm expecting chop up until 1 o'clock. What would be pretty dope actually is if we just, kind of stair step the whole day. And then 1 o'clock comes. That would be that'd be pretty cool. I would like that. It's pretty much all I'm going to be watching for. I don't want to take any. It gets released at 1 o'clock today. So there's no really. I'm expecting chop. We could expect chop 682 to 687. That's a $5 pre-market range. Right. So this already is a no trade zone, along with this being a no trade zone, essentially, right? So I'd rather just wait. I mean, can you take a trade to the upside if it breaks above the 687? You probably can, but I'm not going long into a supply. I'll tell you that much. And that is crazy. That's crazy. So, yeah, today's going to be a waiting game for sure. You can see we broke and came right back under that 686. Yeah, it's not really the style. We got bearish divergence on NVIDIA as we come up to this supply as well. So if anything for NVIDIA, I would say back below 188 to 185 or 184. I would say 185 just to be safe. So that's a possibility, right? I would just wait for it to come back below though, right? We need that candle close and then boom, straight to there, right? And that could be our take profit. So that's a pretty good move. You could load up on that. Let's see, to the upside, I wouldn't take anything. Excuse me. I wouldn't take anything to the upside because of the bearish divergence. Tesla, same here, started dropping there already. See, everything is in this weird little spot. Question is, we gonna pop or drop? Tesla probably just leave alone. We'll see. I mean, we'll play that by ear. But SPY, NVIDIA, definitely watching. Definitely watching. Even if NVIDIA climbs up to this area, right? That's still gonna be reject here, or because we still need to come fill this. So we shall see. Actually, that's nice to see. So yeah, so if we break below 188, we might actually just take that all the way to 182. Wow. Nice. Right off the golden pocket. All right. I can see that. Okay. Yeah, if NVIDIA breaks above 193, let's say it does come and just keep going and breaks above 193, you could take that up. Definitely take that up. AMD. AMD has been a little wishy-washy here. Great rejects yesterday on AMD. Yeah, I mean, really above that 210 to probably like 215 is a good one. I mean, $196 to $186. That was huge bullish divergence on AMD. And wait for the bounce. Boom. Take it up. That's nice. And now we're going subtle. All right. We'll see what happens. That 196 is a good bounce. Yeah, Hood. I'm just watching to watch. Meta had this weird little pop. I don't know if. Oh, actually, I think news came out on Meta. Meta and NVIDIA, I think, doing some venture together. But I expect if you look at overall on Meta, I'm going to be adding to the leaps here soon because this is gorgeous. I would like this gap fill right here. Boom. Right off of this trend line. So technically it'd be 1, 2, 3, go. So that is yeah. It looks good. Yeah. I like it. I want to take NVIDIA or I want to take Meta short into here. I'll tell you that much. So if we do come in 618, look for like 622. Look for that bounce. Right, this is a gap. It's actually a gap fill, right? So 630 to 620 actually ain't too shabby, right? Even if you just take it here to be safe. 630 to 620. Solid on Meta. So we could do that. Apple boomed yesterday. Yeah, that was nice. That was nice on Apple. Oh, see what happens today for sure. But yeah, so that's gonna be it. So let's do. I said I'm gonna be waiting. I'm gonna be super patient today. Like I said, we have Fed minutes, Fed release. So let's go. Morning have news today and release of minutes at 2. So maybe choppy until end of the day. Don't go crazy size again. Again, don't go. All right. Sorry. Boom. SPY. I would like 691 reject. All right. Pretty much it. Below 6. Yeah. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. All right. That works. Let's do still below 676 to 671. Or below 676 to 671. To the upside. Probably have to say above that 691. I probably wouldn't. I mean, yeah, after that you can. But I want this reject right there. NVIDIA, I want that. I want that to the downside. I would like NVIDIA from 188 to 184. NVIDIA below 188 to 184. NVIDIA contracts are pretty cheap too. So you guys, all my SPY people, you could grab them too. But yeah, that looks prime. I mean, even if it comes up a little bit, whatever. Just wait for that break back below. What time that happened? 3:15. So really, yeah, you want to wait for the break of that 187 to 184, 185.
Light toning.
Yeah. $184 to 185. I mean, I say 180. In between here, like 183. 183 is probably a good take profit. So I would definitely like to see, NVIDIA do one of these things and come down to here before we go higher. Right, that would be ideal. So below 188 to 184 to be safe. Upside, I don't like nothing unless we broke above 193. So if you're on here, you'll know above 193, we could take that up to 198. That could be a breakout above 193 for sure. That would be a breakout. That'll be nice. Set alert there just in case I'm not watching it. Boom. All right. And then Tesla I didn't like. AMD is not bad. 196 to 187. I think, or 190 even. Because this is, what time is that? 3 o'clock. Yeah, see, 196. That's still a $6 move. That's still pretty crazy. So might have to throw one in there. Yeah. Let's do it. That's good. I like that. I like that. Nice. Cool. All right. And then AMD. This should be our 3. AMD below 196 to 191. Yeah. I mean, we could really try that 202 reject if it comes up to it. Try that. We'll see. You gotta play it by ear. But yeah, that'd be a good reject right there. Because that is definitely a key level. So I like it. I like it. Above, I guess above 202 would break this trend line. All right, so we could wait for that. Maybe all the way up to that 210. That's gonna have to play it by ear though for sure. See how it moves. RSI is following it fine, so yeah. Yeah, we made it a bounce. Above 201 to 205. We'll see. We'll see. Meta. Oh yeah. We'll go Lotto. Let's go Lotto. All right. So NVIDIA. Oh yeah, I told you guys both above for NVIDIA and AMD. And then let's go. We'll go Lotto, Meta, below 630 to 621. Yeah. Should I put above? You guys tell me. Should I put above, or if you snooze, you lose? Right? Like for NVIDIA and AMD. Above, or if you snooze, you lose. Above, or if you snooze, you lose. I say if you snooze, you lose. Yeah, we filled that. So I like it. Above 201 to 210. I'll put it in the damn chat. Above. Boom. Cool. All right. Questions, comments, concerns? All right, that's it, y'all. You know what to do. Lock in. Or be and don't make nothing. Let's go. Come on. Reach out if you have questions. You know where to find me on the Discord, on Instagram at Lobby Trading Academy, or comment some crap on YouTube. All right, let's go. Lock in.